Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 17 to 23, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Pisces. Ano yung ganap sa mga Pisces? Anong ganap? Okay, so this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng inyong money, career, finances, at ng love life and family. Okay, bottom of the deck, 9 of Cups. Wow, ang ganda nito Pisces. This is about wish fulfillment. Maaring meron kang ma-achieve na wish or goal mo ngayong week na to. This can be related to your career, your business, Queen of Pentacles energy. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong mabibili na appliance na gustong-gusto nyo mabili. Like, for example, yung yung oven, or anything na magagamit mo sa bahay. Okay, may 3 of Swords dito and 5 of Pentacles. I think kasi may mga sacrifices ka na before, no? Kumbaga, marami kang tiniis. And ngayon, finally, nagbunga na yung pagtitiis mo at sacrifices mo. So, meron ka ng reward. Nakukuha mo na yung reward mo for all of your sacrifices. Overall energy, the Devil. Ooh. This is about focused on yung iba may obsession. Maaring obsessed ka sa isang relationship. Obsessed ka sa related sa pagkita ng pera. So, sabi nga nila, kahit anong sobra, hindi nakakabuti, 'di ba? So, some of you naman, pwedeng you are releasing anything that is unhealthy sa buhay mo. Oo. And then your challenge is the 10 of Pentacles. Some of you, pagdating sa finances ninyo, maaring may struggle. I see someone na medyo nagiging greedy, no? Maaring meron ditong issue pagdating sa mana or resources, no? Pwedeng ganun. Na gusto niya sa kanya lahat. Oo. So, itong reading na to ay general reading. Siyempre, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate, then this is not for you. Okay? But, maaring may ganong challenge for some of you pagdating sa inyong finances. And then, your opportunity, the 5 of Cups. Merong regrets dito I think tong regrets na to is about your plans, na may mga plano ka na hindi natuloy. Tapos, maaring ngayon may pagkakataon kang ayusin yon or ituloy. Okay? Maari kasing meron kang minadali, no? I don't know kung ano tong minadali mo na to. This can be minadali mong relasyon, minadali mong trabaho, minadali mong negosyo. And now, you have the opportunity na ayusin yon finally. Okay? So, this time, alam mo na kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, ano yung mas makakabuti para sa'yo. Kasi yung experience mo na yon, yung losses mo in the past, yung failures mo in the past, may natutunan ka na doon na magiging helpful sa'yo sa decisions mo ngayon moving forward. And then your blessing is the Nine of Pentacles. Oh, ang ganda. Nine of Pentacles is stability in your finances. Kung meron ka mang struggle, no, at kung aayusin mo yung iyong actions na gagawin, definitely makikita mo yung resulta ng pinaghirapan mo. So I think some of you meron kayong wish regarding sa trabaho, sa finances nyo, sa career ninyo, na finally mareresolba na. Your money, career, finances. Yeah, so Four of Wands, meron ditong celebration. You are celebrating your success. Meron ding major event yung iba sa inyo. This can be an event sa trabaho. Pwedeng may awarding. Mare-recognize yung talents mo, yung skills mo, or yung performance mo sa trabaho. Diba? May upgrade. It's time to level up your career. Your career status is getting an upgrade very soon. So, yung iba, maaring merong promotion sa work. May promotion, may pag-unlad. Oh. And then, for your love life, you have the Page of Cups. So, for those who are single, pwedeng merong namumuong ano tong namumuong meron, someone might be admiring you. May crush, oo. Maaring merong person na mararamdaman mo yan kung may crush sa'yo eh. Uy, nako. Yung iba may nagkaka-crush sa inyo. Yung iba naman maaring meron makikipag-ayos. Oo. Kung kayo nagkaroon ng away, misunderstanding ng person mo, or kung sino man na mahal mo sa buhay na nagkaroon kayo ng miscommunication. You have a lot of energy this week. Marami kang kayang gawin. Marami kang ma-accomplish. You also have peace. So this is bringing peace in your life. Maaring umiiwas ka na rin sa stress, sa gulo. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, yung mga unhealthy habits ninyo, nire-release nyo na. Also have sensuality. So this is about embracing who you really are, expressing your emotions, yourself. Kumbaga mayroong freedom sa inyo, kalayaan na ma-express ang inyong sarili. And then we're all just stardust. So ito yung realization mo na to be humble, no? Maging, ang tawag doon? Ano ba yung Tagalog ng humble? Basta ganon. Na tayo ay maliit na na alikabok kung ikukumpara sa universe. So, ito yung time na to be grateful for what we have, no? Sa anong meron tayo. And, kumbaga, i-appreciate yung life na meron tayo ngayon at yung kakayanan natin na maging creative. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.